At Dilmah, we've been associated with Bocuse Sri Lanka since its inception in 2011. There's a couple of reasons why we are here. It's about the food, of course, but it's also about the ingredients. Sri Lanka has incredible ingredients: Ceylon tea, Ceylon cinnamon. We have tea inspiration. We have discovery of new flavors, new textures, new culinary methods, and we have a new generation of chefs that are gaining expertise and experience, ready to take Sri Lankan cuisine and our ingredients to the world. That's culinary ambassadorship and a whole lot more. Taste, goodness, and ethical purpose, as my father would have wanted.
What an incredible opportunity to be here in Colombo. It's been a great day of competition. What we're really looking for in the judging here is high quality skill sets in the kitchen, as well as, of course, maximum flavor, delivering what they hope to deliver in terms of what they've written on their menu. And today was a great example of when things come together, such as really good training and preparation, you end up with something amazing. And overall, the quality was very good.
We just concluded the 7th round of selecting the national champions of Bocuse d'Or 2025. 26 teams participated, and I just want to say how the standards have improved year on year. According to the judges, it was a tough decision to select the best winner. Cinnamon Life, they became the champions. We want to actually train them. We will bring expertise who have won past Bocuse d'Or events and also some Michelin star chefs. So hopefully with Cinnamon Life management team, we can train these people to the next level.
ඒක ඇත්තටම සහභාගී වෙන්න සතුටුයි. තවත් ටෙක්නික් සමග මේ ඒසියා පැසිෆික් හොඳට පාටිසිපේට් කරන්න තමයි බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන්නේ.